For the past few days, I have been trying some new tricks on my first channel to boost my views, and trust me, it really worked. By following only 2 steps, I have been getting more than 1,000 subscribers and 3,500 plus watch time in just 13 days. So today in this video, I will tell you the complete process. So let's get started. First, let me clear you that this is my second channel, and I have been working on YouTube for 3 years. So I tried some unique experiments on my first channel which really worked for me. Firstly, my channel was getting an average of 50 to 60,000 views per month, but suddenly I changed the track. I just followed 2 simple ways. The first one was to go behind the trending topics. If you are a new YouTuber, then the trending topics idea will definitely work for you. Just research about the trending news and trending topics in your particular country. If you want to target a particular country, then you can use VPN and find the trending news in that country. But I suggest you to go for a trending topic of your countries, because you will be aware of that topic and you will be having better knowledge about current affairs in your country. Here in this category, you may get millions of views in just a day. Try to cover some exclusive news so that you can get millions of views in just a day. And you cannot expect the views lifelong in these kinds of niches, because you will get views until the topic is trending. And once it gets old, then your old videos will not receive views. But you can take as much as views in just a day. After uploading the video immediately, the video gets boosted up as that topic will be trending. And make sure that you do a better SEO for your videos, because in these niches, SEO plays an important role. You will get more views from search pages, so you must have better SEO for your videos. The second way I followed is maintaining consistency. Whichever niche you go, consistency matters a lot. Consistency is like making a promise to your subscribers. And also this will help your subscribers to stay active on your channel, and they will also keep visiting again and again to check the videos. So try to maintain consistency. So by trying these 2 steps, I have got more views. So let me show you my analytics. Here you can see that I have published 17 videos from November 27 to December 9. This will be 13 days. So I got some trending news in these 13 days, so I covered them, and totally I got 130k views, 3,500 hours watch time, and 1,300 subscribers in these 13 days. Here you can see that I have got an average of 10,000 views per day. My highest day was December 4th. I got some 27,000 views in just a day. You can also see that I published 17 videos in 13 days, and all videos are related to trending topics. I have also published 2 videos per day. So this is going on, and today, while doing this video, I have got some 6,500 views. I may publish this video after 10 days, but after the completion of this December, I will make another continuation video. So you just saw my analytics, which I have been getting on my first channel. So by following the trending topics and consistency, I achieved these results. You may also follow this strategy, and trust me, you will grow very fast. You may work on current affairs, latest gadgets, latest movies, and many more news which are trending. I will show you the example of this channel so that you will understand how the trending topic gets more views. See this video. This is one of the most viewed videos in this channel. I have covered the latest updates of YouTube in this video. YouTube had launched some new criteria related to monetization. I had covered that news and that was trending at that time, so suddenly it got some 1,500 views in 2 to 3 days. But after 3 days, the topic was old. So you can see this flat line. This one of the advantages and disadvantages of these kinds of niches. You will only get views until the topic is trending, and once the topic gets old, you will stop getting views. Whereas you can see this evergreen video. Observe this graph. It also has 1,500 views, but it took 1 month to reach these views, but it will not stop here. You can see that it will be getting views frequently. So this is the difference. So it's all left to you which niche you choose. But all I say is if you choose the trending topics, you will see this type of graph and analytics. And if you are still confused in choosing the niches, then don't worry for now. You keep trying what you are good at. Until then, I will meet you with a new algorithm strategy of 2024. And wait, if you have loved the content, then please do subscribe to the channel so that I can bring more videos like this. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.